If you're looking for the best sponge slash scouring pad combination in Britain, I think the best one to get will be the Marigold sponge here. So at the top it's got a very rigid scouring pad surface. I don't know if I can focus on there. Okay. And then at the bottom it's got nice sponge that doesn't really tend to dry up and get all manky. It's a good size as well, and it's very rigid. Obviously mine's a little discoloured, but as you can see we've still been using it. It's very good. In comparison to like a very cheap economical one, you can see it's all dried out and the top isn't particularly very good. I'll just give this a soak. You can see it. You can see the thickness difference here. So it's okay, but if you're looking for the superior one, it will be this one. This is the closest to the American Test Kitchen winner for the best sponge that you can get in the UK. And that's the Marigold. I'll put a link below. I don't think it's too expensive, but if you've got a sponge that's going to last you longer, you'll be saving on the longevity of the product. I'll put Amazon affiliate link below so you can buy it if you want to. It might be a little more expensive than one of these, but it's going to last a lot longer and it's going to give you a superior clean. As you can see, it holds quite a lot of water. It soaks up a good amount of water as well. Here we go. So it also soaks up quite a good amount of water. Be handy for mopping up. But I think the real benefit is that it's made from rigid materials. That's going to last long, and the scouring pad is not too abrasive, but it's a nice compromise. I think it just feels a lot better than just your bog standard one, and in comparison to just a standard green scouring pad, you can see this is like a continuous texture, whereas this is kind of made up of little bits. And I think this is going to be, or this is better for cleaning. Well, I hope that was helpful. Bye bye.